Okay, we got the Mini Sonic back. Last time we flew it, we lost the canopy over there somewhere. But I just 3D printed one. So, seems to work. I'm going to try it. I'll put it in the hat. Throw that in there. Okay, kids have been out here just wrecking my runway. Donuts everywhere, all over there, everywhere. I don't know why they do that. But this Mini Sonic is awesome. Just love it. I'm glad I could 3D print a thing for it. Roll it. Touch the ground and go. I'll go over there. Vicky's out having a butt by the truck. I'll bring the truck in here because it's going to get stuck. This thing rocks. I wish the GPS would fit on it. I bet you should have better around probably 90 to 100 miles an hour and downwind. And send her straight up. Canopy seems to be staying on. That's just amazing the G-forces this thing goes through. I'm glad I got a canopy for it now. It's a sweet little flyer. I don't know how long the battery will last in this cold. It's really cold, hence there's snow on the ground. Oh, that's awesome. It glides really well too. That's just gliding. Start to stall there. Into the wind. Nice and slow. Roll rate on it's phenomenal. I've got a couple other planes, but I'm not sure if I'm going to fly them because my fingers are absolutely frozen. People in the States watching their videos, oh, it's cold. It's 28 degrees out. Oh no. Dude, it's 0 here. Actually, it's minus 10 today, which I don't know, which would be in the 20s? No. In the teens for you guys. Something like that. I don't know. I like that. Go vertical like that. That's cool. This thing flies for a long time. As I say that, maybe I should land it. She's ripping in the wind. Oh, my canopy popped off. Oh well. Hands are frozen. Just flew the Spitfire. It flew pretty good. It was made in flight for that. That's a V1 Spitfire. Don't see those around too much anymore. I got the V1 Focke-Wulf too. But I did a video on it. It got banned because it's got a swastika on the tail. Alright, that's hobbyking Mini Sonic. My little canopy. And it runs on this little battery. And little 3S 300. It's an awesome little plane with that battery in it. It just scoots. Alright, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Ciao for now.